Hello everyone, today's question is search in rotated sorted array. Suppose an array sorted in ascending order is rotated at some pivot unknown to you beforehand, that is 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7 might become 4, 5, 6, 7, 0, 1, 2. You are given a target value to search. If found in the array, return its index, otherwise return -1. You may assume no duplicate exists in the array. Your algorithm runtime complexity must be in the order of log n. So here example 1, num 4, 5, 6, 7, 0, 1, 2. This is a rotated sorted array and target is 0, and we will return the index, means output is 4. Now we will understand this problem with this example. According to our problem statement, our algorithm must be order of log n. So binary search provide you order of log n time complexity, but you have to modify little bit. So here is our example, and zeroth index will set zeroth index as low, and the alien num -1 index means 6 index is high. So total length is 7, 7 minus 1 is 6. So index 6 is high. So we check while low lesser equals to high, and now mid equals to low means 0 and high is 6 by 2 is 3. Now mid is 0.23. For every mid value we will check with nums mid. So our nums mid is 7. 7 is equals to our target. Our target is 0. No, 7 is not. So now we check our nums low. Nums low is 4. Nums low is lesser or equals to our nums mid. Yes, this is true. Now we will again check our target is present in left part of this middle or not. Means our target is lesser equals to 4, or sorry, our target is greater equals to 4 or lesser equals to 7. No. So simply we go to else condition. We set our new low to mid plus 1. Now our low is pointing to index 4. Nums low is 0. So now we will check again low lesser equals to high. Yes, and again we set our new mid 4 plus 5, 4 plus 6, 10 by 5, 5. Now new mid is pointing to 5 index, and now we will check our nums mid means 1. 1 is equals to target. No. Now we will check our target is left part of this mid, means our target is greater than equals to num low or lesser than equals to nums mid. Yes, this condition satisfy. We simply change our high pointer, means mid -1, set our high pointer, means our target is present before mid. So now our high pointing to mid -1. So this is our high. So now our low is 4, high is 4. Low lesser equals to high. Yes. Now our current mid is 4 plus 4 by 2 means 4. And now mid is pointing to 4. Mid, low, high both are pointing to 4. Nums mid is equals to target. Yes, nums mid is equals to target. Now we simply return the value of mid. This is our answer. Now we will write this code using this approach. If not num, then we will return -1. Low equals to 0 and high equals to alien num -1. And while low lesser equals to high, then we will set our mid low plus high by 2, and then we will check if target equals to mid nums mid, then we return the mid value. Now we check our nums low is lesser equals to nums mid or not. Now we will check our target is present the left side of this mid or not. Means nums low lesser equals to target and target lesser equals to nums mid. If yes, then we will shift our high pointer to mid minus 1. Means target is present within this left part of this mid. Our high is mid minus 1. Else if target is not in this left part, then our low target is present in right part. Means low equals to mid plus 1. Else means if low is greater than nums mid, then nums mid lesser equals to target and target lesser equals to nums high. Means we'll search right part our low will mid plus 1 and else our high is mid minus 1. And now we return minus 1 if this is not present in our, okay, sorry, that's my bad. This is nums and this is also nums, sorry. Now we'll run it and submit. Yes, got it. If you like this type of coding questions, so please give me a thumbs up, and if you have any queries and any suggestion, please comment below. I had posted all the source code in my GitHub link, so you can check out. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching this video.